In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your voucher balance on Booking.com. If you've earned travel credits from past stays, received promo rewards, or added a gift card to your account, the fastest way to see what you can spend is through Booking.com's rewards and wallet. Start by signing in to your Booking.com account, either on the website or in the mobile app. Make sure you're using the same account you used for your bookings and promotions, especially if you've ever signed up with different email addresses or sign-in methods. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Next, open your rewards and wallet. On the website, you can usually get there from your account menu or by going directly to booking.com/wallet HTML. In the app, tap your profile or the main menu and look for Rewards and Wallet. The wording can vary slightly by region, but it's typically easy to spot. Once you're on the wallet page, you'll see your available balance and any credits tied to your account. This is where Booking.com shows travel credits and rewards that can be used toward future stays. You might see things like discount credits earned after stays, promo rewards from campaigns, or credits issued after a refund. The page often breaks down the types of credits, shows the total you can spend, and may display currency and any terms or expiry dates. If a balance is available, it generally applies automatically at checkout on eligible bookings. It's important to note that this section is focused on account-based credits. Gift cards that haven't been added to your account won't appear here. However, once a gift card is redeemed into your wallet, its funds show up as part of your available balance alongside other travel credits. This makes the wallet page the single, central place to see what you can use on your next reservation. A few quick tips to keep everything accurate. If you just completed a stay or a promotion, it can take a little time for rewards to post, so check back later if they're not visible yet. If you switch between regions or currencies on the site, the display may adjust, but your underlying balance stays tied to your account. And if you don't see Wallet in the app, updating to the latest version or checking on the website usually helps. That's all there is to it. Sign in, go to Rewards and Wallet, and review your balance so you know exactly what credits you have ready for your next trip.